The St. Croix model at Beach Walk Estates is a beautiful two-story estate featuring a beautiful grand foyer entrance, gourmet kitchen with pass-through to the pool area, open family room with views of the pool. Each guest suite has its own walk-in closet and private patio area, a peaceful spa-like master bath, a convenient elevator servicing both levels, the largest pool patio area in Beach Walk Estate with separate cabana bath and shower, and a barbecue area for entertaining, and a bonus room over the garage for theater room or separate guest quarters.